Now that you have the staking base, you need to make a staking text file. In order to do that, we're going to first minimize the AutoCAD, open up the notepad, which is pre-labeled STP. So you open up the notepad, go to File, Save As. So where you want to save it is just put it in the desktop for now, but you want to label it according to the file. So in this instance, it's 264 Illinois. So you just need 264 STP. So now it's saved as 264 STP. You have an empty notepad. Reopen your AutoCAD. Minimize the entire folder, not just the file folder, and it'll bring it over into two workable windows. You want to now put the the coordinate and the description into the notepad. In order to do that, you just want to start at a certain point. In this instance, it's the front right property line. You click on the symbol, you type in LI to list its properties, press enter. Now you end up with that text window. So very important, so that it doesn't jumble up in the field, is that you copy the Y and then the X into the notepad. So I'm now in the notepad. We got to give it a corresponding number, the Y, the X, the Z, and then the description, all spaced out with a comma. So in order to do that, you start at 100, comma, go into that text window, copy the entire 8 digits. Whether that's positive or negative, you need to copy everything after the equal sign. So in this instance, it's Y equals 2118.4644. So select that, Control C to copy, notepad, after the comma, Control V to paste, another comma, back into the AutoCAD text window for the X, those 8 digits plus the minus sign, Control C, notepad, Control V, comma. So now you have the point number, the Y, the X, and then a comma. The next step is to give it the elevation, and in this instance it's 687.43. so you're going to type that in after that comma, no spaces, 687.43, another comma, and then the last thing is the point's description, and in this case it's the front right PL. So you're going to type in FRRPL, enter. So that will be the corresponding line for the data collector. So what you should have is point number, the points Y, the points X, its elevation, and its description. Now you're going to do that for all of the green points and symbols, including the ST points that we made in the base. So at the end of this, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 lines of notepad description. I'm going to just do that and continue on to the next segment, but just rewind it, go through the steps if there was any mistake. But this is critical that all the numbers, all the negatives, the positives all get recorded, because in the field you cannot change it on the fly. So every step of the way you need to make sure that you double check that none of the points have a missed number, because then you'll have to come all the way back to the office, look at where you missed that number, and then go back out to the field.